Hello and welcome to the class of GSM. So today in this class we are going to discuss about GSM call flow. So let's discuss about entities. So in call flow we have very first as mobile station. Then we have PTS. After that we have BSC, MSC, HLR, VLR, EIR, AUC. We will assume this is mobile station 2 where we have to call. So this is mobile station. This mobile station under this PTS and BSC, we are assuming that these are under the same MSC, BSC, BTS. They have to call to one another. So what happens that from BTS, mobile station is getting broadcast channels. You know, BCCH, FCCH and SCH. What is the direction of the channels? As downlink direction. Now we want to call, that means we want to access the network. So we have this RAT channel. Now this RAT request is forwarded to BSC, that this mobile station want to use the network. In response, it will give me access grant channel. That means I have a dedicated channel with the name SDCCH. So now we are performing function of signaling. Now we have SDCCH channel, which is a main channel for signaling process. Now SDCCH has to carry each and every information. Now this SDCCH, with this we have a message request for IMSI. Now this IMSI, this is International Mobile Subscriber Identity. In GSM Identifiers class we will cover this also, but IMSI is an International Mobile Subscriber Identity which is there in the SIM card. So after this, mobile station will send IMSI. From BSC it reaches to MSC and we have a message request for location check. That please check the location of the mobile station. So MSC will communicate with HLR and the message is for location check. After checking the location, HLR will send a message again that location is checked. Home location register. Then MSC has to communicate with VLR and the request is location update. Please update the location. Like message as location updated. After that, MSC will send a message to EIR and this is request for list check, because it has to check whitelist, grey list, blacklist, and accordingly it has to process call. After list check, whitelist. For example, user is in whitelist, so it will process black. Otherwise, if person is in blacklist, so call will be interrupted here. After that, MSC will communicate with mobile station and this is request for, this is basically a request for KI. KI is an authentication key which is saved in a SIM card. After that, mobile station will send this KI and this will communicate with authentication center request for KI match. That please match the key which is saved in your database too. Will send a message back, key matched. Now signaling process is completed. Now MSC will send request for MSISDN 2. MSISDN is Mobile Subscriber Integrated Service Digital Number, which is the contact number of second party with which we need to connect. Now MSC is basically the entity which connects the call, so that's why it is requesting. In response, this will send MSISDN2. Here MSC will do digit analysis. Digit analysis is basically a feature through which we can find out where the person is located. So person found. So when person found, we have ringing. So when ringing, here is a command from MSC, release SDCCH, because SDCCH is a channel which is there for signaling purpose. Now suppose that person picks up the call. So now we have traffic channel between two ends with which they can communicate. This is a traffic channel. Now hold this procedure, we call it as, this is a signaling process. Before ringing, what is happening is signaling, that means controlling or checking. So before ringing we are finding, also we have signaling process, and after that TCH, on which we have the final conversation. So this is a complete call flow between mobile station under the same MSC BTS. This is signal. Now each and every message, whatever there is happening, is on SDCCH. That's why it is for dedicated channel, because it is therefore dedicated interval of time till we make a request of release. If sudden during signaling there is an interruption, so we call it as SDCCH drop. During call, if there is an interruption, TCH drop. Thank you so much.